Why am I whispering? And welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I do appreciate you guys for stopping by. As the title said, this will be an iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. So if you are definitely interested in the phone and want to get the inside look on what the phone looks like itself, definitely watch this video, hit that subscribe button, like and comment. All right, y'all, with further ado, let's go ahead and bring out that iPhone. Whoop, here it is. Still wrapped in its plastic. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's see what the hype is. Ooh. Nothing's fantastic about plastic, right? Okay, so presentation for me is always key. The box is cute. It's showing how the phone, I guess, is going to look. So let's go ahead and open it up. Wow. Amazed. And voila. Get into it. Yeah. Oops. A little too excited, eh? All right, this is how the black graphite, I guess. It's not really black, like I love black, like my phone is black. The previous phone that I have an iPhone XS Max. So just into comparison, this is really cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that. Like, beautiful. Beautiful. This reminds me of the SE. I don't know if y'all had an SE or whatever, but it's definitely that SE vibe. It's definitely, let's do comparison. So here's my phone, the iPhone XS. In comparison, let me not show y'all my messages. It's roughly the same size. What do y'all think? Yes. This is it side by side. Yeah, it's the same size. The reason why I wanted this phone and I waited was because I like big phones. Like, I feel like I got big hands, so big hands need big grips, you know what I'm saying? But right here, this is what's on the paper. I mean the front. I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to focus it a little bit. So it's showing the power button on this side, and then it's also showing the volume and how to silence the phone. But if you are an Apple user, you already know that. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this off. Beautiful, just beautiful. Before we jump into the phone, I'm gonna put it back down. They said that you know, I love Apple, but Apple is janky. They're janky for this because they make you pay X amount of money, and the only thing that they're giving you with this phone, is the charger. And yes, you're just like, okay, and yeah, so the charger is the same. It plugs in just like all the other iPhones that are more up to date. But the downfall of this is, I'm gonna show you off of my laptop, because I don't want to take it out of the packaging, but this is what, it's a USB-C, I believe, right? That's what they call this, USB-C. Either way it goes, it doesn't matter. So this is what the new port looks like. So if you're getting this phone and you don't have anything to stick this in, like myself, granted, I do have the latest version of the MacBook laptop, so if I really cared, I could just, you know, plug it into my laptop and charge my phone from there for the convenience. Or yeah, because, you know, I can, yeah, either way it goes, it doesn't matter. But yeah, so if you do not have like the latest iPhone and you need a home definitely invest in that. Okay, sorry. So yeah, it doesn't come with that, and they just gave you a piece of paper. Usually you would get headphones, you know, because Apple used to give headphones. So lucky for myself, I have AirPods, so really I don't really care. I don't Apple. Thank you for not giving me what I've already paid for. So yeah, so let's just get into it. Like, it has the same features as an iPhone. So I can go ahead and turn it on by pressing the side button. It better turn on. Ooh, and there you go, the Apple sign. So as this is powering on off the jump, this is just magnificent. Like, I feel like I'm holding on to, actually it is kind of heavy. It roughly feels the same weight as an iPhone XS Max. The only difference is it just feels the grip feels definitely different. Like, I feel like I have more control with the 12 Pro Max versus, you know, this is more like, you know, I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, so like, you know, when you first get an iPhone, it gives you a greeting just like in your different languages, and you just set it up. So I'm gonna click English because, you know, I speak English, from the United States. It says quick start, set up manually. You can click that. Now it's asking me to put in the Wi-Fi for my home. I will further do that, you know, once I jump into the whole process of starting up my phone. But I definitely wanted to give you guys just an insight on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and just based off of the qualities that I know they have, I know that I'll be taking fabulous photos, and I'll definitely, like, you know, record cute videos. Like, I personally use a Canon camera right now, but now that I know that I have multiple avenues, like, you know, the quality of everything is supposed to be better, it's supposed to be faster, it's 5G. I'm so excited. So if you definitely want me to give you more feedback on my phone and just let you know if it's worth the buy, I will definitely come back and give you another review, letting you know just off jump the phone itself. But for me, it's definitely a yes. I wish it was a dark black, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers. But it's definitely cute. Doesn't really matter because I'm gonna put a case on it anyways. So yeah, just I'm in love, and I cannot wait to be bougie. I'm just kidding. But overall, yes, definitely invest. Catch you guys next time. Bye.